What's up guys? For today's video I will be showing you how to enable game capture in CS2 on your Steam account. So first off, what you want to do is go to your Steam account, and under the tab side on the left portion of the screen, click on Counter-Strike 2 or Counter-Strike, and then once you have installed this, kindly right click on the app, and then under properties, under general, uh, go to advanced launch option, and then just have to type in this whole sequence that we have pasted under this YouTube video. It's dash allow underscore third underscore party underscore software. Once you're done with that, kindly exit and click on play and launch your Counter-Strike 2. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope that solves your problem by enabling this on Counter-Strike